Alfa Romeo, one of the most iconic car brands in the world. If you've ever dreamed of owning one, you've probably heard all kinds of opinions. Some say they're unreliable, while others swear by their performance and charm. But what's the truth? Are they worth the investment? Based on my personal experience, I'll break down everything you need to know about owning an Alfa Romeo. From the best models to the major pitfalls, this is your ultimate guide. Top Alfa Romeo models to consider. If you're in the market for an Alfa Romeo, these are some of the best options to look at. Alfa 159, a solid choice with great design and engineering. Alfa 156, one of the best classic models, offering both style and reliability. Alfa 4C, a stunning sports car for those who want performance and uniqueness. Giulia, a modern Alfa with German-level build quality and thrilling driving dynamics. Stelvio, a high-performance SUV that brings Italian flair to the segment. The newer the Alfa, the better the engineering. If you're looking for the best balance of reliability and fun, the last-generation Alfa 156 or the Alfa 159 are excellent choices. Newer models have also improved significantly. The reliability factor. One of the biggest concerns about Alfa Romeos is reliability. The real turning point came in 2006. After this year, Alfa Romeo improved its build quality and electronics to near German levels. While small issues may arise, they're rarely catastrophic. Regular servicing will keep these cars running smoothly. Engineering and maintenance. Contrary to popular belief, modern Alfa Romeos are not overly complex to maintain. If you're comfortable with standard tools like sockets, spanners, and Allen keys, basic maintenance isn't too challenging. Here's what you need to know. Routine maintenance. Oil changes, brake pad replacements, and fluid top-ups are straightforward. Common issues. Some minor quirks exist, such as sensitive brake light circuits and occasional fuel gauge errors. However, these can be easily managed. Cooling system maintenance. Using K-Seal treatment annually helps prevent head gasket damage. Oil additives. Using MBL8 molybdenum copper additive every third oil change keeps the engine running smoothly. Major pitfalls to avoid. 1. Never buy an Alfa with Celespeed transmission. This is the single most important rule. The Celespeed automated manual transmission is notorious for its high failure rate and insanely expensive repairs. Even though it's based on Ferrari's system, it doesn't hold up well in an Alfa. If you're buying an Alfa, get a manual transmission. It's the best way to enjoy the driving experience and avoid costly issues. 2. Owning an Alfa requires care and attention. Unlike a Toyota or Honda, an Alfa Romeo demands regular checkups. Owning one means checking the oil and coolant levels frequently, inspecting for minor issues and addressing them early, cleaning and maintaining it regularly to keep it in top shape. If you're willing to stay on top of maintenance, an Alfa Romeo can be surprisingly affordable and reliable. Thanks to online communities, you can always find guidance and solutions for any problems. 3rd, timing belt changes on V6 models. One of the most crucial maintenance tasks for V6 Alfa Romeos is the cam belt replacement. This needs to be done every 100,000 kilometers, but it's a necessary investment to keep the engine running properly. In New Zealand, this costs around $1,200, but you can often find better deals. If you're looking for a lower maintenance option, the Alfa 159 2.2-liter engine is a great choice. It has a cam chain instead of a cam bolt, meaning less frequent servicing, usually every 250,000 kilometers. Why Alfa Romeos are special. To truly appreciate Alfa Romeo, you need to understand its heritage. The brand is a contemporary of Mercedes-Benz, Ferrari, Bentley, and Rolls-Royce. However, unlike these luxury brands, Alfa Romeo offers affordable high-performance cars. The Mito and Giulietta provide a luxury experience at a reasonable price. The Giulia Quadrifoglio is essentially a Ferrari-powered sports sedan. The Stelvio SUV, while not my personal favorite, competes with high-end European SUVs. Alfa Romeos are also rare. Most models are not mass-produced, making them unique compared to mainstream cars. They offer luxury, style, and performance at a fraction of the cost of their German counterparts. So, is owning an Alfa Romeo worth it? Absolutely, if you know what you're getting into. If you're passionate about cars and willing to put in a little effort, an Alfa Romeo can be one of the most rewarding vehicles to own. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.
What if I told you that you could experience the power and reliability of Volkswagen in a compact sedan? Or cruise under the sun in a convertible without worrying about frequent repairs? Welcome to the world of Volkswagen, where reliability meets performance. In this video, we'll delve into the top 10 most reliable Volkswagens of all time, uncovering the gems that have stood the test of time. Number 1. 2021 Volkswagen Jetta GLI. If hatchbacks aren't your thing, fear not. The Jetta GLI offers the same exhilarating power as its Golf GTI cousin, but in a sleek sedan package. With a robust 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine under the hood, boasting 228 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque, this sedan means business. Despite a hiccup in the 2019 model year, the 2021 Jetta GLI shines with a solid JD Power reliability rating of 76. Number 2. 2012 Volkswagen EOS. Next up, we have the 2012 Volkswagen EOS, a convertible gem that often flies under the radar. While it may not have been a top seller, its 2.0-liter i4 engine delivering 200 horsepower and 207 lb-ft of torque makes it a worthy contender. Surprisingly, the 2012 model year stands out with a reliability rating of 78, offering peace of mind to prospective buyers seeking open-top adventures without breaking the bank. Number 3. 2013 Volkswagen Touareg. Now let's venture into the realm of luxury SUVs with the 2013 Volkswagen Touareg. The second generation of this model ironed out the kinks of its predecessor, presenting a refined and reliable option for SUV enthusiasts. Equipped with a robust 3.6-liter V6 engine, churning out 280 horsepower and 266 lb-ft of torque, the 2013 Touareg earns a commendable JD Power reliability rating of 80, making it a smart choice for those craving upscale comfort and dependability. Number 4. 2013 Volkswagen CC. Introducing the sleek and stylish 2013 Volkswagen CC, the epitome of sophistication in the sedan segment. With its coupe-like body and refined performance, the CC exudes elegance from every angle. Whether you opt for the 2.0-liter i4 engine or the more potent V6 version, the CC promises a delightful driving experience. Boasting a reliability rating of 80, the 2013 model year ensures a harmonious blend of luxury and dependability. Number 5. 2023 Golf R. Experience the ultimate hatchback with the 2023 Volkswagen Golf R. Born from a legacy of performance, the Golf R boasts a 2.0-liter TFSI engine, churning out 315 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. Garnering a reliability score of 83/100, this powerhouse proves that adrenaline and dependability go hand in hand. Number 6. 2012 Golf. Joining the ranks of dependable daily drivers is the 2012 Volkswagen Golf. Praised for its practicality and affordability, this sixth-generation model offers a range of engine options to suit every need. With a reliability rating matching the Golf R at 83/100, the MK6 Golf proves that reliability is timeless. Number 7. 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. In the compact SUV segment, the 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan reigns supreme. Equipped with a 2.0-liter i4 engine, this crossover delivers 200 horsepower with ease. Boasting a reliability rating of 84/100, the Tiguan ensures a trouble-free ownership experience, making it a standout choice for adventure seekers. Number 8. 2018 Volkswagen Jetta. Unleash the power of practicality with the 2018 Volkswagen Jetta. Despite its understated design, this compact sedan packs a punch with its 1.4-liter turbocharged engine. Garnering a reliability rating of 86/100, the Jetta proves that reliability doesn't have to come at the cost of excitement. Number 9. 2020 Volkswagen Passat. Enter the world of mid-size sedans with the 2020 Volkswagen Passat. While phased out in favor of SUVs, the Passat continues to impress with its 1.5-liter i4 engine and reliability rating of 88/100. Offering both comfort and dependability, the Passat remains a timeless classic in Volkswagen's lineup. Number 10. 2018 Volkswagen Beetle. Rounding off our list is the iconic 2018 Volkswagen Beetle. With its distinctive design and turbocharged engine, the Beetle captivates hearts while ensuring a reliable ride. Boasting an impressive reliability rating of 89/100, this model proves that style and dependability are inseparable. From sleek sedans to versatile SUVs, Volkswagen has redefined reliability with its lineup of top-performing vehicles. Whether craving excitement or seeking practicality, these models offer a driving experience like no other. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.